Hi, I'm Su Hui. I'm the Executive Director and the CEO of Tea Garden. We are a retail chain restaurants. We started in 2005. We are serving Malaysian local dishes such as nasi lemak, laksa, and fried kway teow. And right now we have 29 restaurants across Malaysia.
I'm Chef Steven, holding positions of development chef in Tea Garden. In traditional central kitchens, we need a lot of manpower to do a simple task. With the overspilling, mishandling, you intend to have waste and accidents. The moment you have waste, that means it's a big loss for us. And then you will also cause accidents.
So with iCombi Pro Oven, right, consistency definitely is the biggest benefit that it has bring to our restaurants. In terms of production management, right, it reduces the cooking time, reduce process. It's very easy to use, so we require less time to train our staff and reduce the reliance on prepper skills.
Using iCooking Suite, I can cook 150 kilos of rendang chicken with no monitoring. It cooks in 35 minutes. We're using the traditional open fire. We need minimum of 4 hours. Another function which is very important for the modern cooking nowadays is iProduction Manager. We can mix a lot cooking in one cabinet. For example, we have nasi lemak, chicken rice, steamed cake. We can load in one time in one cabinet. This is steaming functions. Another one will be baking. You can have a mixed lot cooking in one cabinet by using baking functions. I bake my herbal chicken and salt baked chicken at one time in one load. Using Rational iCombi Pro in the central kitchens, it will reduce manpower, running more efficiency, productivity, and quality. It's very easy to train staff and operations. Everything is pre-programmed. Just press, cross the door, and go. The connected cooking apps is so great. I know what is cooking now. I also can remotely monitoring the hygiene status. By using this. Another features of the Rational iCombi Pro is iCare systems, automatic cleaning systems. It can go as fast as 15 minutes.
I think consumers nowadays, they are looking for healthier options in the cooking process. They want to ensure the freshness and also the nutrition. Working with Rational teams, right, has been a very delightful journey. They explore what are the opportunities and products we can prepare with their iCombi ovens, and they actually make sure that Rational iCombi Pro Oven is a valuable investment in our central kitchens.